And may the soul of Sir John rest in perfect peace. Away from that, though, an infectious disease expert with the Kolebu Teaching Hospital and the University of Ghana Medical Center has warned against trooping to registration centers without adequately observing coronavirus protocols. Dr. Isabella Ifwa Samwa advised that without the protocol enforcement at the centers, cases could be recorded as a result of poor immune systems of the voter population eager to take advantage of the registration exercise. She was speaking on the AM show with Roland Walker.
So unfortunate with all that is happening. Sometimes I wonder if we still think COVID is a lie. I mean, from some of your interviews with people in their homes, a good number of people still believe that it's non-existent. And they have all these myths that they believe they won't get COVID. I mean, it's unfortunate to see what we saw. I mean, with the crowd restrictions of even 100 or so, we are still not complying. Where we have reached with COVID, okay, we need to take it up on a community-based level. Wherever the registrations are taking place, I believe there are district assemblymen, there are authorities in those areas that we can by ourselves protect, you know, rather than always look up to the government to step in. So if the MP of those areas or the whoever has authority in those districts can get to those places and enforce that there's hand washing, there's social distancing, that this number of people, strict number of people at a certain area at a particular time, like what was done at Church, they marked some areas where people are supposed to sit, and they make sure that there isn't overcrowding by doing all that, okay? I think for us Ghanaians, we wait so much, everything has to be government. But unfortunately, the disease is with us. So on a community level, I think this is what we should be doing. Authorities in each community is as important, the restrictions are as important to them as every politician. I mean, everybody in this community should ensure that these practices go on safely. And that can be done by also making sure that the behavioral patterns that have been prescribed are adhered to. Looking at your screen, I'm actually checking to see whether there's the Veronica buckets or any place that we can have hand washing. But as an individual, even if we don't have it there, unfortunately, we should have it there. I mean, but even if we don't have it there, I think we have the sanitizers. We should sanitize our hands there and then, okay? Then when we get home, we wash our hands. And of course,